Hey, kindergarten, happy Friday. It is time for our sound work. So, as always, we're going to start with rhyme. But before we start our rhymes, I want to tell you something. So, I was using lots of markers today, and sometimes markers get on our skin and they don't come off for a little bit. So, if you can see my really dirty fingers, it's because I was using some markers to color some things this morning. So, if you say, "Oh, Mrs. Hartwell, you need to wash your hands," trust me, I have washed my hands and washed them, and it'll probably come off in the tub tonight. Okay, are you ready for your rhyme? Here we go. Which word rhymes with match? Hatch or this? Hatch and match rhyme. They both end with atch. Which word rhymes with lunch? Chin or munch? Munch, lunch. Those are the rhyming words. Which word rhymes with thank? Bank or shook? Bank, thank. Which word rhymes with push? Bus or bush? Bush. Which word rhymes with throw? Show or shout? Show and throw are the rhyming words. Which word rhymes with teach? Bleach or gloss? Bleach. Bleach is a type of chemical that you use to get stains out of things. All right. I'm going to say 3 words. I want you to listen really closely, and you're going to tell me the first sound that's the first sound in each one of them, okay? Here we go. 30,000 thorn. What's the first sound? Notebook, none, net. First sound? Shine, ship, shark. First sound? Basket, butter, bent. First sound is B. Choose, charge, chat. First sound, ch. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to say some sounds. You're going to listen the first time. Then we're going to say them together, and then we're going to blend them into a word. Okay, you ready? Here we go. P, A, S, T. Your turn. P, A, S, T. Paste. Paste is another name for glue. Ready? W, I, N, D. Your turn. W, in, D. Wind. Beautiful. Here we go. Ch, a, n, k. Your turn. Ch, a, n, k. Chunk. L, e, n, d. Now you say them. L, e, n, d. Lend. To lend something means to let somebody borrow it. So if I give you something, I'm lending it to you, you're borrowing it from me. Here we go with our next one. Ready? Listen first. Sh, if, t. Your turn. Sh, if, t. Shift. Beautiful. Ch, s, t. Your turn. Ch, s, t. Chest. M, n, ch. M, n, ch. Word is, did you get it? Munch. Here we go. Last one. B, o, t. Your turn. B, o, t. Bolt. Okay. I'm going to say a word. You're going to say a word. We're going to punch out the last sound. Okay? You ready? Here we go. Leash. You say it. Leash. Go. Leash. Last sound is sh. Child. Child. Go. Child. Last sound, d. Switch. Switch. Go. Switch. Last sound, ch. Test. Test. Go. Test. Last sound is t. Booth. Booth. Ready? Booth. Last sound is th. Snake. Snake. Go. Snake. Last sound, k. Asleep. Asleep. Go. Asleep. Last sound is p. You got it. Look at that. Look at that marker. Can you see it on my thumb? All right, my friends. I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to chop that word into each individual sound. So getting into the smallest sounds that we can possibly get. Okay, ready? Fold. Say fold. Fold. F-O-L-D. 4 sounds. F-O-L-D. Fold. Here we go. Thump. You say it. Thump. Chop it. F-A-M-P. How many sounds? 4. F-A-M-P. Here comes your next one. Wrench. You say it. Wrench. Go. R-E-N-Ch. How many sounds? 4. R-E-N-Ch. Flash. Flash. Go. F-U-A-Sh. How many sounds? 4 again. Same with me. F-U-A-Sh. Beautiful. Smooth. You say it. Smooth. Here we go. Smooth. 4 again. Toast. Toast. Go. T-O-S-T. 4 sounds. Last one. Say mask. Mask. M-A-S-K. 4 sounds in that one too. Okay, ready? Here we go. Say and. Add pull. Plan. Ick. Add sl. Slick. If something's slick, it's slippery. Say I. Add full. Fly. Say am. Add cl. Clam. Last one. Of. You say it. Of. Add gl. Glove. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to give you the whole word. We're going to take off the first part. Here we go. Say flower. Flower. Without full is hour. Slam. Slam. Without sl is am. Say blink. Blink. Without bull is ink. Say clock. Clock. Without cool is ock. Last one. Say glitch. Glitch. Without gul is itch. Ooh, a little itchy. Now we're going to change that first sound. And remember, when we change that first sound, or first sounds, the beginning of the word, it could change one word into a totally different word. All right, you ready? Say hush. Hush. Change h to full. Flush. Say pot. Pot. Change p to sl. Slot. A slot is like a little hole. Say love. Love. Change l to gul. Glove. Say cuff. Cuff. Change k to huff. Like the big bad wolf. He huffs and puffs. Say rug. Rug. Change to pull. Plug. Beautiful. All right. Let's go ahead with our sounds and letters. Okay, you ready? I know you know these. Turn it this way. Ready? Letter U. Sound a. Second sound U. Letter is K. Sound K. Letter A. Sound A. Second sound A. Letter T. Sound T. Remember, don't put that on the end. It's not ta, it's T. Letter C. Sound K. Second sound S. Letter E. Oh, this is the one we looked at this week. Sounds E. Second sound E. Letter X. Sound X. That's one of my favorites. Letter Y. Sound Y. Can also say E or I. Letter M. Sound M. Letter L. Sound L. Letter D. Sound D. Letter O. Sound A. Second sound O. Letter I. Sound I. Second sound I. Letter is G. Sound G. Second sound J. Letter is N. Sound N. Letter V. Remember Vernon Vulture? sound V. Letter J, sound J. Letter R, sound R. Letter H, sound H for Hartwell. Letter B, sound B. Letter W, sound W. Letter P, sound P. And again, there's no on the end. It's not P, it's P. Just push that air out. Letter Q, sound Q. Letter S, sound S. Letter Z, sound Z. Letter F, sound F. Letters TH, sound F. So there's two different ways. One can just be you're blowing air like this, and one might be that you've got a little noise. But both of them, your tongue is in between your teeth. Letters CH, sound ch. Letters WH, sound wh. Remember, no sound. Wh. And letters SH, sound sh. Beautiful kindergarten. Okay. Almost done. Almost done. All right, ready? Here's our nursery rhyme this week. And we're not even going to write it down. We're just going to see if we can say it together. You ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a good fat hen. All right, let's see if we can say it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a good fat hen. Kindergarten, you did an amazing job. Fabulous Friday work. All right, we will see you on Monday. Sending you lots of kindergarten love. See you soon.